Hello students, today we are going to learn about cells and circuits. What is cell? A device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called a cell. A cell has two important parts. One is electrodes, another one is electrolyte. Electrodes are positive terminals, otherwise called anode. Negative terminals, otherwise called cathode. Electrolyte is a chemical solution which produces positive and negative ions. Two different metal plates or electrodes are inserted into an electrolyte to form a cell. Due to chemical reactions, one electrode gets positive charge and the other gets negative charge to produce continuous flow of electric current. As you see in a battery, negative and positive end you see. The cells again divided into two types, primary cells and secondary cells according to the continuity flow of current. Primary cells cannot be recharged, so they can be used only once. For example, cells used in clocks, watches and toys. A cell that can be recharged many times is called a secondary cell. For example, mobile phone cells, then cells used in laptops, vehicle batteries are the secondary cells. So here we have to differentiate cell and battery. Cell is a single cell, battery is a collection of cells. Then switch on to electric circuits. Electric circuit is a closed path along which electric current flows from the positive terminal to negative terminal of the battery. Electric circuits has the following parts: a cell, a bulb, a key or switch. Electric circuits are two types: open circuits and closed circuits. In open circuits, the key is in off condition, so there will be no electricity and no glowing of bulb. In closed circuit, the switch is in on position, so electrical current flows through the wire and bulb glow. Circuit types are three: simple circuit, series circuit and parallel circuit. Simple circuit is nothing but a normal circuit which has a cell, bulb and key and connecting wires. Series circuit. Two or more bulbs are connected in a series in a circuit is called series circuit. If one bulb is damaged or disconnected, the entire circuit will not work. But in parallel circuit, two or more bulbs are connected in a parallel way in a circuit. Then that type of circuit is called parallel circuit. Instead of drawing bulb, wire and battery, we will use a symbol. So in this tabular column, you can find the symbols easily. Symbols of electric components. Then conductors. From the word itself you know, the material which allow electric charges to pass through them are called conductors. Example, all metals, copper, iron, aluminium, etc. Earth is a good conductor. Impure water is a good conductor of electricity. Pure water is an insulator. The insulators are opposite to conductors. The materials which do not allow electric charges to pass through them are called insulators. Example, plastic, glass, wood, rubber, ebonite and all. Then we have to know some safety measures to safeguard a person from the electric shock. What you have to do means, first switch off the power supply, then remove the connection from the switch, then push the person away from using non-conducting material like stick, wood, etc. Give him first aid and take him to the hospital. Okay, students, see you in next class.